that. But when I look at the stock market and I don't know where we are today, but it's like, it was at the time that my money manager was like, you need more exposure to the stock market. I just kept thinking, I've made a lot of money. I believe I will make a lot more. I just want to protect my downside. I'm not trying to grow my money. I'm just trying to like maintain my money. And the idea of buying into the stock market, even dollar cost averaging, when it seemed so clear to me, this has to be a bubble. Like you said, it just cannot go up forever. So there has to be some sort of correction, and the economy shut down. So I was like, how the fuck could this possibly? But of course now, because I didn't have much exposure to the stock market, I had some, but I didn't have much exposure to the stock market. It's like up 28%.
Yeah,
or
you
whatever.
missed out on millions.
100%.
Okay,
no doubt.
Let's talk about this. So,
but am I about to like be the one who's laughing when this finally all corrects?
Well, nobody knows. First of all, nobody knows. And if you bring anyone on the show who tells you what's going to happen in the stock market, they're an idiot and or they're lying. So I'm not going to do that. Nobody knows. And you'll find this in politics and money.